how to recover a lost or hacked Mobile Legends account in 2026. So if you want to recover a lost or hacked Mobile Legends account in 2026, then just watch this video. First, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser or you Google anything that you're comfortable with, and then search for customer support in your Mobile Legends. If you don't have an account, then you can also go with the email section. Go with the email support, which is mobilegegendsgame@moontoon.com. Or you can also go with your Google Play or your App Store and open the game page on your App Store and scroll to the developer contact and use the provided email link, which is like, for example, I'll go with the Play Store and search for Mobile Legends. And here you need to go with the game, tap on it. And here you will find an option of Get Email. Tap on Get Email, select the account. And it says that you need to open Chrome on your PC. So just simply go with your PC or your laptop and then tap on Get Email and you will get the email. And you can contact your Mobile Legends support. If not, you can also go with the community help, which is for regional issues. You can often reach out to moderators via official local channels like the Mobile Legends Philippines Facebook page. You have some other friends account or something like that, then you can go with your account, open your account, and then on the top you will find the support section. You can go with support and you will have a live chat option. You can just simply go in live chat with Mobile Legends customer support and ask them about the account recovery process. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.